Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I will be juicing all these leftover pomegranate seeds. Well, they're not leftover. I de-seeded them, and then I had some in the refrigerator. I had been eating them, but now I want to juice them because I have a whole nother wave of pomegranates. And speaking of pomegranates, today is the day that I dropped a video for the 2 winners of the pomegranate. So let's get into that right now. All right, guys, so this is the inside of what one of my pomegranates look like. And this is what's inside of the pomegranates that I got from Jeff's house. So there you have it. So congratulations to the winners. You will be getting 2 different pomegranates. This one and this one. Distinct colors, green, kind of red, and this is what they look like. All right, congratulations to the winners. Peace. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. All right, guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna put this into the hopper and we're going to juice these pomegranate seeds. Let's see how much juice we can get out of this. I think this is 3 cups of pomegranate seeds. All right, stand by. Yo, Greedio, you want some? I'm about to do some more pomegranate seeds anyway, so you can have some since you like them now.
Jada planning on doing. What's the name of your hair?
All right, guys, so we have 1 3/4 cup juice. And there you have it. This is the fresh pomegranate juice. I'm gonna put this on ice and I'm gonna enjoy this to get help. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Very refreshing. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page. But if you don't, each one teach one, your Cali Bro J, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.